Welcome to the Weather Guru podcast for Monday, July 13th, 2026. Thank you for joining me, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, we're looking at the severe thunderstorm warnings and watches and flash flood warnings and watches for the lower 48 United States here. And I appreciate your support, ladies and gentlemen. Hit that subscribe button on the like button and share this video with Weather Guru as we continue our outlook on the lower 48 for July 13th, 2026. Right now, we're focusing in on Florida here, central and southern Florida here, as some rain showers continue to impact the area between I-95 between Palm Bay and Port St. Lucie. If you're heading down Indian River County on the Turnpike, Yeehaw Junction, back into Port St. Lucie, and then into the interior Highlands County around Lake Okeechobee. There is a severe thunderstorm warning for Collier and Henry counties in southern Florida here. Once again, southwest Florida. On Alligator Alley, these showers are coming across here. Maybe coming across the Snake Road exit, looks like here. And then northward into the into Henry County. These showers are producing gusty winds and 1-inch hail and 60-mile-an-hour winds radar indicated here, and they're just kind of drifting here. It expires in the next 3 to 5 minutes here, but these storms are just kind of drifting towards the south here ever so slowly here on the radar here, so just watch out for that. In Arizona, Pinal County, 1-inch hail, 60-mile-an-hour winds here. This storm here is a big complex here just to the south of Kearney, Arizona, just to the south of north and east of I-10 there, coming up just past the Tucson area here, North Tucson Mountains in the area there as well. Tucson, you're getting a lot of rain in the southern suburbs. Sarahita, Green Valley, you're getting in some of the rain there as well. And also southeast of Tucson, you're getting into the rain towards Sierra Vista and those areas in New Mexico as well. So once again, there's a flash flood warning for Tucson area for the next hour and 50 minutes here. This contains the Oro Valley area, Tucson, Catalina, places the Air Force Base there, Davis Air Force Base, and areas there, the Catalina Foothills State Park, etc. Once again, flash flooding is caused by these thunderstorms, and it's occurring there in the National Weather Service in Tucson has issued a flash flood warning until 6:45 Mountain Standard Time this evening here, as these showers continue to make their impact for the Tucson Oro Valley area there and Sarita area in southern Arizona. Now, looking at the other things, we have flash flood watches and warnings in effect for Georgia. This continues in the southwest corner of Georgia here. This is for Randolph and Terrell counties here, just to the southeast of Columbus in Americus, Georgia here. Flash flood warnings continuing in effect for those areas in rural southwest Georgia there as well. We have flash flood warnings in Texas for Borden and Scurry counties. This includes areas southeast of Lubbock and the Texas Panhandle here towards Snyder, Texas, heading toward I-20 between Sweetwater and Abilene. Be very careful. These showers are producing heavy rain and storms there as well. North Carolina, your flash flood warning for Anson and Richmond counties near Rockingham, North Carolina. Just to the west of Fayetteville area in Southern Pines. This expires in the next 35 minutes, so be careful there as well. And we continue to see flash flood in Louisiana in the parish, Bossier Parish, Caddo, Red River Parish, and Webster Parish near Shreveport and Bossier City. Rain is coming in there, and it's Oil City all the way there. That is included. These three flash flood warnings in conjunction here in the Shreveport area, as you see these showers continuing to convert along this convergence boundary here, the stationary boundary, and it's producing those showers from Shreveport, Oil City back towards Stonewall and Mansfield down Interstate 49 there. Now in South Carolina, Georgia, we also have flash flood warnings in effect for Augusta, Aiken County. In South Carolina, this includes Murphy Estates, Edgewood, Hespeler. This flash flood warning remains in effect until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for Columbia, Lincoln, Richmond, West Central Aiken counties, Edgefield County, and southeastern McCormick County. So it's going to be going on for the next 3 hours here as we continue to see flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. The public reported that small creeks are flooding. Streets and underpasses and other poor areas may be flooding here along Augusta, so be very careful here if you're coming along 20 or 520 through Augusta area, metro area, as well as Aiken. Heavy showers here in yellow and orange in this area is creating the flash flood warning in effect for that area as well. And then so we have a bunch of flash flood warnings here in various states. Arizona, Utah continuing their flash flood warnings as well. Of course, they need the rain with the recent wildfires they've had, but you don't want too much of it all at one time. There is one special marine warning once again in Florida for Sebastian Inlet to Jupiter Inlet here. As these showers come offshore, they could produce winds of 34 knots or greater, and if possible, they could produce lightning as well and higher waves. So small craft warning, special marine warning, from Fort Pierce North, Surfside Park, and Fort Pierce Ocean Park here, as we continue to go down here with these storms in Florida. As I put it in motion here, these storms in Florida continue to make their way slowly southeast here along the coast, just slowly drifting here. These sea breeze showers that continue to make their impact here along the stationary boundary. South Florida, you're dry. Miami, West Palm Beach, Fort Lauderdale, Boca, Homestead, Keys, you're dry. But these showers are advancing here in the Tampa area as well. You're getting heavy rain, steady rain in New Tampa, Wesley Chapel, up towards Zephyr Hills, back to Athana to Sassa, I-4 corridor, 275 across the Howard Flanken Bridge is a slow go this afternoon, tonight, this evening. Clearwater, St. Pete, Pinellas County along US 19 through Dunedin. Heavy shower down through that way as well, and it's making its way. Some of this could get its way toward Bradenton, Anna Maria Island, and Sarasota later on tonight if the rain showers hold together in the Florida metro area. So once again, this is the Weather Guru podcast, bringing you the latest flash flood warnings, severe thunderstorm warnings for the lower 48 here. And as I zoom out here, the heat will be building in other areas of the country from the mid-Atlantic through the upper Midwest here from Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday here, as we continue to see the ridge build and extend eastward here later on this week. There's something to keep in mind here. But as I zoom out, you can see west of the country is clear, and the heat is building for the rest of the week. Take care. This is Weather Guru podcast for July 13, 2026. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. I'll see you in the next episode. God bless.